Precizika Metrology designs and manufactures linear and rotary encoders, incremental and coated glass scales and discs. We have more than 50 years of experience and export worldwide more than 95% of our production. In the year 2000, the production process was certified to fully meet the requirements of ISO 9002 and in 2003 ISO 9001. The company has nearly 100 employees, 34 engineers, 5 doctors of science and 2 professors. Precizika Metrology runs up to 5 scientific research projects every year, supported by European Union structural and national science foundations. Glass Scale Department manufactures scales and discs with different patterns for various applications. Special clean environment premises with stable temperature are used to achieve highest quality results. Precizika Metrology is a high-tech company. Many processes are done with unique technologies, created and developed by our engineers in cooperation with biggest national universities and science institutes. Precizika Metrology manufactures linear and rotary encoders using photoelectric and magnetic technology. Company's products are widely used for machine tools, automation, and in measuring industry. Besides our standard products, we're able to design and produce a product according to customers' technical requirements and OEM products. Highest quality standards and reliability of our products guarantee customer satisfaction and long-time cooperation.